Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and of course here is a list of decryption tools. This is a big website to actually know about, very important to know this. So a lot of you are always asking me tools for decrypting the ransomware that you get on your PCs. Thing is, there's basically the ransomware and malware are always evolving. That means they're not always good, they change. But here is a list that is updated regularly with the newest tools in alphabetical order of the different type of ransomware. And maybe in here you could find some of the tools that you use. So check it out. You always have the different types of ransomware. You got how-to guides on how to use it. Most of them are made by antivirus companies, Kaspersky, Trend Micro, and so on. You can download the tools and try to get your files back. If it's not urgent, you can actually wait. Maybe the tool isn't available now, but it could be available in a few weeks, in a few months. So you might want to be patient and maybe get a decryption tool eventually. So No More Ransom is a great place, and remember, if you're hit by ransomware, this is where maybe it's possible that you'll get here. But don't forget that there's a big possibility you will never get help also. These encryptions are sometimes extremely good, and some of these tools will never be available. Hopefully, though, you'll get and you'll find something that can help you here on this list. So check it out. The link to this page is in the description below the video. Hope that you enjoy our videos. If you do, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching our videos.